Alright, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this, basically a TRX4M clone. It's got some fun English on it right here. Fully ashaval. And right here, it's made of engineering nylon. And you can strengthen capacity and wow. Well, it's kind of what you get. Poor English. So dang, that's on there. Let's try the other side. There we go. Cool. There's just some basic plastic here. See if I can slide it out. There we go. There's a little extra battery in here. Real small 500 milliamp hour. They're 14500 cells. Man, it's got pretty good clearance on that. Look at that. Some people said the tires were hard. Those aren't hard. They're not bead locks though, so I might have to glue them on. Those are kind of squishy. They feel like they have foam on the inside. Do they? Yeah, they do. A little bit of foam on the inside. Really not a bad looking car. Has a hitch on it. Oh, that's pretty sweet. It's a little bouncy. Until you get oil shocks on it, it's going to be like that. Pretty bouncy, but the flex is pretty good. Oh yeah. That's worked pretty great. Let's see how the batteries look. It's got two clips, one here and one here. And just pops right off. That's easy. Okay. Sweet. I mean, that's pretty basic. It's got a 370 motor. Let me see if I have the right batteries for this or not. These are triples. I don't have any triples right now. Oh, good. They're AA. Okay. Can't really see. I'll just find out. Okay, so it says positive, negative. Okay. It's gonna be so hard to come out. So the battery and the remote feels like it eats batteries. It's gonna be kind of difficult to get those out. Nice. Let's get this plugged in here. You have to pull the tabs. You drop it. There you go. Yeah. The only thing it's a little difficult to clip in. You have to like pull them back a little as you drop it in. That's actually pretty sweet. Oh, it's got a multi-color bar here. So I guess the default mode is this RGB light bar. Oh, that changes the lights here. Yeah, that's the best mode. Off is good too. So it has turn signals. I know some people don't like that. What is that? Why does it have little plastic nubbins to stop the steering? That's a horrible idea. You see that? See that right down there? We snip those off. I bet we get a little more steering angle. That's pretty good right there, though. So let's throw it into first gear. Oh, that's pretty good. That's so fun. Oh, the thing's gonna be really capable. I'm excited for it. Alright, give me a second. I'm going to grab a comparison vehicle. Alright, so I'll put this next to it. This is the FCX18 C10 that I have. So you can see, I mean, the tire size looks more proportional to the body on this guy. The C10 tires are technically too big for the vehicle. Like if you look at it, those are huge for the truck size. But that's the difference between oil tunk versus pretty thump. So I'm gonna have to get some oil shocks for this guy. I think it's a really good crawler though. You know, alter how much articulation here. Let's see. So it's pretty great. That's quite a lot. They do move really easy. Alright. We got those snippers. Alright, let's fix that real fast. So these two little nubs right here. Yeah, you snip those off right there. I feel like I can make a little video about this. But maybe I should make a video all the modifications I plan to do. I'll snip those off. Might pull the spare tire off. Maybe take the hitch off. I don't know. But all you do is snip those. I feel like you get like a lot more steering angle. Because if you look at it, it hits those. So, pretty exciting little rig. I'm excited to go test it out. So, alright, well, thanks for watching. Oh, actually, let me show you guys. Now, here you go. So this is a good size comparison. This is a 12 scale from MN versus this guy. So it's got quite a bit of space there. And the height, you know, it's a good whole hand higher. Much larger vehicle. You can kind of see that right there. So the MN model is actually a pretty great little model. I've been really enjoying driving it around. Need to get a different ESC for it. I've been testing different things out, but haven't quite found the right thing. But this is gonna be a new fun little rig for me. You might be able to see some videos here. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Like and subscribe.